Hi, my name is Cindy Hill. This is the first time I've been to Revitalyze MD, and I have to say that it has been a great experience. I came here today for lip filler and some Botox, and the staff here is wonderful. As soon as I walked in the door, I felt so welcomed, and I've been using Britt Taylor for several years now. Me and her have been together for a long time, and she's awesome. We did a little training seminar with some of the other girls, and they are awesome. They're very knowledgeable young ladies, and I felt so comfortable. And I was telling them that, I wasn't trying to be 20 again, but I want to hit that 40 again. So I'm just happy with everything here, and it was a very, very minimum pain experience. I felt hardly anything at all, and I would definitely refer anybody here.